Is Windows File Explorer giving you trouble? Constantly crashing and disrupting your workflow? Don't worry, we've got you covered with 5 easy fixes. Method 1. Clearing File Explorer history. Open File Explorer options. Click on the General tab. Scroll down to the Privacy section and click Clear. Now restart Windows File Explorer and see if the issue was resolved or not. Method 2. Disable antivirus temporarily. Open your antivirus software's interface. Look for options to disable real-time protection or schedule a scan. Disable your antivirus temporarily. Method 3. Separate File Explorer process. Open File Explorer. Go to View Options. In the Advanced Settings window, check the box for Launch Folder Windows in a separate process. Click Apply and OK. Restart File Explorer. Method 4. Check for Windows updates. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Method 5. Run System File Checker. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type, press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take some time. And there you have it. 5 easy solutions to stop Windows File Explorer from crashing. If you are still facing issues with Windows File Explorer, click on the link in description for additional tips